Yes, ma'am. Is he still in there?
And I saw my son-in-law picture and absolutely he's a coyote.
Really?
Yeah, and he's petrified. And I've called 5 different agencies and nobody would come out.
Nobody wanted to help you, huh?
No, or some of them weren't nearby.
Where's he at?
He's in the kitchen.
How do you get in there?
We have a doggy door.
Oh,
I'm not going to use the doggy door anymore.
Is there a door that separates this kitchen?
Yes.
Okay.
yeah, she's got him locked in there.
Yeah. And he hasn't moved.
Okay.
My dog went berserk in there. It's down that way. My dog just went berserk. And I really thought it was a mouse or something. And,
Is there another way?
Could you turn on some additional lights for us?
absolutely.
Thank you. Does this door slide or swing open?
Swing open.
Okay.
And he's over in the corner over there and he hasn't budged.
Okay. Give me a big peek without coming in, biting my leg off.
Because I went in there and looked at him and he's over there in the corner behind the hutch. And
Behind the hutch?
he hasn't moved, yeah. See the cabinet there to your left? All the way in the dining area?
I'm looking, I don't see it yet.
Yeah, he's hiding behind the hutch there.
So there's a back door?
Yes.
Can you see through the back door?
Yeah,
See that, I don't know if it's the fur tail, but it's like sitting in a little nook. So you actually have to commit and get all the way in that corner by where the dining table is. So if the thing freaks out, we're in a small spot with a big old coyote in the kitchen.
Nah, he's just as scared as we are.
but that wouldn't do any good because you still have to get him. Leash. Leashes.
Got that stick with the noose on it.
You do?
You see if somebody just pulled up. I don't know. We might want to call 12 or call 12 and see if she can get have her bring that noose line over. Oh, I saw somebody else pull up.
They did. There was a white car that pulled up.
on a pole.
Yeah.
So we might try that.
Got his gloves on now.
I brought my ass, but I figured if I could get, yeah.
She's trying to talk to them. So she's
When you
making-
saw it, was it aggressive towards you?
Not at all.
I'm sorry, I just dropped
I
my.
looked around and I saw him there, and he was just sitting there. He was like this, and he hasn't moved. That's my first I thought it's a dog, but
No one's like it. Please come out.
the dog.
Get it up.
I think the dog, my dog's dirty. That's a nice, freaking awful dog.
Okay.
He's on the left side?
See, I mean, if you get over there by that kitchen table, you just barely see the tail. It's like in that little teeny nook.
Oh, underneath the TV?
You see it?
No, but I believe you.
Huh?
I said no, but I believe you.
I'll tell you what, I got an idea. Come in here for a minute. Ma'am. Ma'am, do you have like a rubber dog toy or something? Something that won't damage your cabinetry? I'm gonna kind of toss something at it, see if I can't get it to kind of stir. Figure if you're a dog lover, you gotta have a chew toy around here somewhere, right? Oh yeah, something. I'll take whatever you got. It's probably gonna take me more than one
Take it
one
all.
toss. Huh?
Okay. That might be.
I'm a little out of practice throwing toys at coyotes.
More?
We'll take.
I like that one.
We'll come back. We know where to find the goodies if we need them. So we've opened up your back door, so we're gonna try to get this thing to stir a little bit and then usher you outside.
Here, puppy, puppy, puppy.
How's the pitching, Earl?
Well,
Pretty good. Might hit that water bottle, but. There you go. Come out here. Come out here. Oh boy, that thing's.
can't find his way out.
Holy mackerel.
Oh, it's just a dog. Come here, puppy. It's okay. It's okay. Good dog.
Hold the door.
Come here, puppy.
Where'd it go?
It's back by the hutch. Go outside.
Give me some more toys. We got it moving. That's definitely a coyote.
I think he went out.
You see it, Cody?
I think he went out the door.
All right, hang on. I'm going to toss some more stuff at you.
Hold on.
Just be careful. That thing's not right. I don't want to be driving much.
Okay. So he's got to be in either this room or outside. And consider the door is wide open. Temple.
What goes off to your right, Cody?
Laundry room.
Is the door
He's
locked?
outside. He's outside. He's outside.
He's outside?
Yeah.
Can you see it out there?
Yeah. I mean, he's trapped in their backyard, which sucks, but.
What if we could shut that gate?
Well, that was shut when I came in.
It was shut?
Yeah, so he hopped the fence and then came in the doggy door.
Number 12.
Right, oh, there, it just dropped down.
Number
On the
12
other side
here.
of the fence.
Okay.
He's up there out.
We had a 21 Summer Creek Drive.
I don't know how you lost it. I'll let her take care of that.